University College London and MIT did a study to see how people's emotions and behavior affect their beliefs and their decisions. One of the interesting facts that came out of that study was this: people believe that warning labels, threats, and known risks do not apply to them. Everyone believes that they are the exception to bad outcomes happening to them. Our brain actually tunes out worst case scenarios. That's why people can eat what they want in their mind. Nothing bad's going to happen to them. They can see the warning labels that says, do not pet the bear, it might bite him. They go and pet the bear anyways. When we communicate the gospel, we need to recognize that it takes the word of God to pierce people's hearts. We tell them about heaven, we warn them about hell, but hell's not for them. Hell's for the other guy. We need to have compassion for people, need to communicate the word, because people in their mind, they don't see hell for them. It's for the other guy. God bless you.